Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and this is where we chat about all things EDC and my concealed carry journey. And today we are doing an unboxing, and if you know this iconic red packaging, you know it's from VERTX. They sent me something else, and I am super excited about it because I have a version of it already, and this is like the new and improved bigger version. So if you're not familiar with VERTX, they are a concealed carry EDC bag company, but they make clothing as well. I just did something on my Instagram with their new high-waisted jeans. This is one of their bags. So they make range bags, backpacks, slings, EDC bags, like things you want to carry to work and stuff, but a lot of them come with CCW options, and they have a lot of module holsters and pouches and stuff to put in those bags. So I got a bag and I'm really freaking excited about it. So let's open it. Oh, heck yes. Okay, guys. So, you know, I'm a fanny pack girly. I am a fanny pack girl. If I have an opportunity to wear a fanny pack, I will. There's no shame in it. So this is the VERTX SOCP Tactical Fanny Pack, and this is in Canopy Green and Smoke Gray. Y'all, you know I'm a green girl too. So when I saw that they had it in green, I needed it immediately. But I have the smaller version of this, which let me just show you real quick. So this is the original, I always get this wrong, SOCP fanny pack. Hopefully the camera picks that up for you. I absolutely love this bag, but it is tiny. It's very tiny, but the coloring on this is absolutely perfect. So I am hoping that they make this one in this coloring because I'd be all over it. But this currently comes in like a blue and then this green. So obviously I needed the green. But as you can see, there is a pretty big difference. This is like basically the size of this front pouch right here. So let's get into it. And the reason I really like this is because, well, the main reason, it is a CCW fanny pack. So I already have two CCW fanny packs from a company who is a guy, his name's Earthseed Equipment. He makes, and I've done a video on this on my YouTube, he makes CCW fanny packs, but he hand makes them, so there's a long wait list. So I always want to give others an option to find something straight off the rack if they don't want something custom made, and I'm hoping that this is that for them. So the back has a Velcro area right here for a 0G holster from Eclipse Holsters. It comes with this. I personally will not be using this, but there's also an admin area here for you to put anything that you need. I probably won't be using this because I don't want to have to open this pouch with my gun in it and get something from here because we don't need that in out in the open. So I absolutely love that it has the back Velcro, and then it has the front area here. So it has the two pockets here, and then it has a zipper pocket on the inside, and what looks like a little key ring there, which is nice. And then the front, I can't do this because I'm on my phone, but the front has a drop down area for your phone. So you can put your phone in here and you can actually touch through it, because I've done it on this one before. But you can actually touch through it and you can just look at it like this and use it, which is really interesting. There's no other pockets out here, but you can use this pouch for anything that you need to. You don't necessarily have to put your phone in there, but basically your phone slides right in there. So you have easy access to your phone on the front, two pockets here, a pocket, a mesh pocket right here with a zipper, and then the CCW Velcro area in the back. So I'm gonna go fill this up and I'll show you guys how I would use it. Okay, so here it is on. It's very narrow this direction, but it is very wide here. It basically takes up my entire front. I personally don't care about the size of it. It doesn't bother me, but it might bother some people about how large it is. To me, it's totally fine. So front pocket, we have our pepper spray and a knife. Truly, this is not deployable from here, so I would probably wear more of like a utility knife in here and keep this on my body. A karambit in here is actually pointless, but just for today's purposes, I'm showing you that you can put a knife in here. And then on this side, I have a little med kit. I had to take it out of my LTC little med pouch because it was a little bit too thick for here, but I have a SWAT tourniquet here, and then there is a stop the bleed, like quick stop thing here, and then some other small medical supplies here. So that's the front pocket. I still have room in here to put whatever I need, but I keep my cards and stuff on my phone, so I don't necessarily need to have them in here. And then in the back, we have our CCW fanny pack option. So that's what that looks like. And then this is the 0G holster from Eclipse. Basically, it is a hardware-free holster with a Velcro strip on the back, and that's what I use in my CCW fanny packs. So that just sits like that. I actually really like this one because my gun is able to sit straight up and down, whereas a lot of fanny packs, they kind of force you to wear it sideways like this, and this is not a natural draw for me because I usually carry appendix. So I always look for the ability to have the gun up and down like that and still be able to close it. Just like with anything else, you do have to get used to carrying like this. Ooh, my screw's a little bit high. I gotta fix that. You do need to be practicing as much as you can if this is a way that you're going to carry all the time. I don't know what this is for. I am not entirely sure what that's for. Oh, I think this whole thing comes out. Look at that. So this is not, you don't need to use this. You can stick this somewhere else. And then the other side is also Velcro, so you can put like 2 Velcro things. That's pretty cool. So obviously, like I was saying, just like anything, you do need to practice using this and getting comfortable with it. But again, I like carrying like this because even though it is off body, this is never going to leave my body. And it is the same footprint as it would be for a appendix carry. And there you have it, guys. This is the SOCP CCW Fanny Pack from VERTX in the green color. And I am a big fan of VERTX's products. So if you have not purchased anything from them, please do yourself a favor and grab one. The quality is unmatched. Absolutely love the quality of these bags. So if you enjoyed this content, please give it a thumbs up. It means the world to me. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Stay safe out there. Bye, guys.